Okay guys, I'm going to show you how we're going to use iPad and we actually connect Hotspot onto the F1. Alright, first of all, what we're going to do is we need to press the on-off button for 5 seconds so that it turns solid yellow. Alright, thereafter we will go into the XCS screen down here. Okay. So from here, okay, I will start from the very beginning. Okay, you can come down to the process the connection down here. All right, so we come into the connection down here. Okay, we connect device. From the connect device down here, all right, we need to go into the we can actually configure the Wi-Fi. All right, so we can go into the hotspot down here. All right, but first of all, we need to actually configure the Wi-Fi down here. All right, so onto the screen down here, we will actually select, because we're going to use the F1, we select onto the F1 and we click next. Okay, down here it actually tells you to hold for 5 seconds until it turns yellow, so it's actually solid yellow down here. So we go into next. All right, so this is the network that is actually connected. All right, so I will go into the next. Okay, and we go into device hotspot. Okay, we go into that. Okay, so from here down here, what we need to do is we go into the, let me show it to you. Okay, we will search onto the settings down here. All right, we can see it's down here. Okay, we need to connect to the xTool F1 down here, so we just click onto this. Okay, so it's finding it. Okay, so there you go. So there is no internet connection, so we go back to the XCS down here. Okay, the XCS will send the information. Okay, there you go. We connect to the device. Okay, we go into the hotspot. Okay, right. So we'll come back to the XCS screen down here. So down here you can see it's a hotspot. You tap to connect. Okay, there you go. It's connection successful. So you can see it's blue in color. So right now you can actually, I come back to here. Okay, so it's stated down here. Let me zoom it so that you can see. Okay, so it's connected via hotspot down here. So right now you can be able to connect your, without any Wi-Fi, you can actually connect your iPad to the xTool F1. Alright, so I hope you managed to try it out. Okay.